Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to add text in SnapEdit. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to add text in SnapEdit, you just simply have to open your SnapEdit application at first. Then after opening the SnapEdit, you will get to see so many options directly into the home page. Now you just simply have to tap into this Start Editing button and choose any image from your gallery. Now just simply tap into this Editor button at the very last of the bottom bar, and then you will get the option of text at here. Just simply tap into text beside sticker option, and now you can choose any colored text into here. I'm using this white text for now, and after tapping into there, just simply type the text that you want to add. Then you can customize the color from this section and click to Done button. This way you can easily add text into your image into SnapEdit. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.